RezClick Booking Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be reviewing RezClick, a comprehensive booking platform designed to streamline appointment scheduling for businesses. If you're interested, I've added links to the product in the description below. RezClick is an online booking solution designed for service-based businesses like spas, salons, wellness centers, and fitness studios. It's built to help businesses manage appointments, enhance customer experience, and optimize staff scheduling. The platform offers a clean, user-friendly interface for both clients and business owners, making it easy for customers to book appointments online and for businesses to track and manage those bookings. One of the standout features of RezClick is its customizable booking widget, which can be embedded directly into your website or shared on social media. This widget allows customers to see available time slots and book appointments instantly, helping businesses reduce manual scheduling and increase online bookings. It also offers mobile responsiveness, so customers can easily book on the go through their smartphones. RezClick comes with powerful scheduling and calendar management tools that allow businesses to set specific working hours, availability, and manage employee schedules efficiently. Automated reminders and confirmations help reduce no-shows and keep clients informed of any changes, enhancing overall customer satisfaction. For businesses with multiple locations, RezClick offers multi-location support, allowing customers to book appointments at different branches from one platform. Additionally, it integrates well with popular payment gateways like Stripe and PayPal, ensuring smooth transactions and easy payment management. The platform also offers reporting features that provide insights into booking trends, customer data, and employee performance, helping businesses make data-driven decisions and improve efficiency. Whether you're running a small spa or a large wellness center, RezClick's scalability and versatility make it suitable for a wide range of businesses. Overall, RezClick is a robust and versatile booking platform with a focus on enhancing both business operations and customer experience. Be sure to check out the links below for more details. Thanks for watching.